Nawala po yung live po natin guys. Sorry guys. Nawala po. Queen na 28B. Guys, Kaya Junmar! Yan! Yan! Taktik mo! Ayun guys. Pasensya guys. Kinawala po yung live po natin guys. Kasi sinipat po tayo ni FP guys. Sinipat po tayo kaya ayan.
Junmar! Kay Junmar!
Timeout called by the Property Brokers Jets. We take a little time to say a special welcome to the Philippines Central Association who are here tonight. Of course, Margot's been helping us out here on the mic. And also the PCA officers who are here tonight, the sports coordinator, Angel Carambas, and the PCA president, Beth Ubilia. Great to have you guys here. Hope you're enjoying the game. Margot said she wanted to say hi to her ex-boyfriend, who's now her husband. Good on you, Ronald. I'm glad you're not the boyfriend anymore, you're the husband. And a quick hi to Alius, their son as well. So it's great to have you guys here in the house, here at the hangar. Hope you're enjoying the game. All right, let's get back into it. Jets 33, Gilas Filipinas 52.
Malaki ito na, pag malaki no? Nakasabit, nakasabit, nakasabit. Nakasabit siya. Pa-share po yung live po natin guys, pa-share.
Ano po, nag-tripping under the seat. Defense! Defense!
Maganda yung live po kayo. 1,000.
Tanggal na naman.
Hindi, 1K na naman.
Share ko, share ko.
Share mo, share mo, share mo. Pa-share po yung live guys, pa-share guys, pa-share. Pa-share po yung live guys, pa-share. Third quarter na po tayo, third quarter. Renta.
Medyo mo! Kailan, medyo mo! Subok lang, medyo mo!
Go! Nagugulat sa'yo eh. Ginulat mo kasi.
Mababoy, Trump! Tira!
Pa-share po yung live natin guys, pa-share. Pa-share po, pa-share guys yung ating live guys, mga suki. At wag niyo pong kalimutan mag-follow na rin guys ha. Para lahat po ng dayong basketballista dito sa Houston na pupunta po natin mga kaibigan. Share lang po mga kaibigan. Magaling yan. Nagbayad ka, me? Nagbayad ka? Me? Nagbayad ka? Pa-picture na? Ha? Ano yung $5 to? Napagod si Kobre. Pre, napagod yung pangit na.
Buwang na rin. Papa boy! Trump! Diretso!
Hindi umabot. Yan! Yan! Tignan mo! Tignan mo! Yan! Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan! Foul, 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 foul. Foul, 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 foul. Pares na, pares na. Easy na. Dalawang foul na yun ah. Dalawang foul na yun. Tatlong foul na yun. Number 32, tatlong foul na. Yun, 32, tatlong foul na. Ah. $2 million na. 2 million na. 2 million na. Ha? Ha?
Ay, stop! 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 Stop!
Wala daw, wala.
Three-quarter time here in the hangar. It's the Jets 45, Gilas Filipinas 67, and Benny's back, baby. All right, what are we going to do now? We're going to dance party. Now, Benny the Bear's back on centre court. He's going to walk us through a Mexican wave. In fact, no, he's not. He's going to run us through it. I hope you're feeling fit tonight, Benny the Bear. I want 2 laps out of you. All right, so Benny, as he runs around, you get up to the Mexican wave. You follow him, okay? All right, Benny, where you go? We're going to start in, down the end here. Right, this is D block. All right, so here we go. Up, 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 up. C block. Go, 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 go. Go, Benny, go. All right, you ready, B block? B block. Now's about the time where Benny the Bear needs to go and hibernate to recover. Maybe you could do one without him. Should we start at C block in the corner? Shall we do one without Benny? Are we ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
C block, C block, C block. And B block, B block, B block. Hey! Final quarter.
Spin.
Yan, spot! Yan! Yan!
Ano yun? Defense! Defense! Ganda ng live ko ngayon ah. Dahil ng live ko ngayon, nagdito yung palo. Sa mga nanonood po dyan guys, sa mga nanonood po ng guys, papalo po tayo, papalo po. Palo po yung po natin guys. Habang nanonood po kayo guys, palo po tayo guys. Para lagi po kayong dada po sa notification nyo po yung ating live. Once po na nag-live po tayo guys, papalo po, automatic na po lalabas na po sa ating notification ating live. Huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-follow po guys. Maraming salamat. Oh, puno. Wala. Hey guys, sinulit ko po yung nandiyan po sa ating live guys. Papalo po yung page guys. Para lagi po tayong guys, pag meron po tayong live, lagi po lalabas yung notification, ang yung streaming. Tapos po nag-live po tayo guys. Wala na si Juan, hindi na pinapasok ba eh? Junwar.
Pinapahinga na. Kobe, wala sa tabi.
Ito naman, pamara yung 3 point nila eh. Pamatay yung 3 point nila eh. Apat na kasi. Apat na yun.
Apat na.
Magagraduate na yun. Number 3 yun, number 3 yun. Sana lang yun, graduate na yun.
Apat na. Ano lang. Maupo muna siya.
Ayun guys, kung po natin guys, score guys, score. Score tayo guys, score.
Ah, 24 na naman.
Ha?
Ulit na yan, ayan o. Sige, sipakin mo na yung battery.
Yan guys, ayan guys, inuulit ko paano po natin yung page guys, paano po yung natin page guys, para lagi po kayong, lagi po na nangangon guys.
Lagi ka karubuan na naman.
Tao-tao na yan mamaya. Ha?
Lagi na, 5 games na.
5 minutes lang. Follow na guys, follow po Pinoy Media Production guys. Follow po tayo. Huwag niyo pa din kayo limutan mag-follow guys.
Steven!
Fourth quarter na guys, fourth quarter. Ito po yung score guys. So, ito po yung score po natin guys. 81-57 po. Gilas po ang 81. Jets po ang 15-7.
Ay, si Junmar naman, Junmar!
Junmar, pasok! Binato na lang ha, binato na lang. Ayun na, pinaso na. Wala pa. Hindi na yata papasok yun ah. Papalo guys, papalo po tayo guys. Papalo po yung ating live guys. Papalo. Number 1. Yun. Number 28. 26. 28 pala, pound. Number 28, pound. 33. 33.
Yan na, Tamayo.
Tamayo na. Tatlo na sila. Tambak na yun po eh. Tambak na. Defense! Defense!
Defense! Good job, Gilas!
Pagod na sila eh. Pagod na. Napuno yung sardo mo.
Defense!
Defense! Junmar! Pass up!
Ladies and gentlemen, just take a little moment to thank Massey University for its support of today's international basketball event. Massey is one of New Zealand's leading universities with campuses here in Manawatu, Wellington and Auckland, and is recognised nationally and internationally for excellence across a wide range of disciplines, including business, agriculture, aviation, food technology, health sciences, engineering and the creative arts. To have a university of Massey's scale, reputation and global impact based right here in our backyard is something the entire Manawatu region can be incredibly proud of. So please join me in thanking Massey University for their continued support of the Manawatu Jets and today's international.
Wala ko sa YouTube, wala po sa YouTube, wala ko sa YouTube guys. Wala po tayo sa YouTube. Nasa ko po tayo ngayon, nasa Facebook po tayo guys, Facebook page. Facebook page po tayo guys mga guys. Ayan, don't forget guys, don't forget. Share and follow guys, share and follow Pinoy Media Production, mga suki ko dyan ha. Mga suki kong taga-subaybay sa ating basketball leagues. Ayan, don't forget follow guys, don't forget follow and share. Welcome back, ating score is 61-90. 57 minutes guys, 57 seconds lang guys, 57 seconds ang time.
A fantastic showcase of basketball right here at Fly Parley Arena. The Property Brokers Manawatu Jets 61.
Panalo po guys ang Gilas team. Panalo po ang Gilas Pilipinas. 92-61 po ang kalaban. Ayan po guys. Maraming pong salamat sa mga nanood po guys. Sa mga nag-share po, maraming pong salamat po sa ating